do 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 do. Hello everybody. So this is my unboxing for my December box. Reason for it being at this late in the game, I usually do it maybe in between like 2 weeks into the month, or like a week and a half into the month, or sometimes it just varies. So the first half, I was still waiting to receive my sketchbox, which is alright because honestly, it's okay because this holiday season, it's hectic with shipping and stuff. But I did finally receive it. I want to say the second week into December, like near the end of it, to like Friday or Saturday. I don't remember the date because obviously my days right now is mixed up. But let's show the box. So the box is a beautiful, gorgeous owl with a purple background. I love these colors. It's art by Tori Mix Media. I don't know if that's probably Instagram or anything. I'm assuming it's Instagram. Basically, it just says if you want your art, tag us at Sketchbox. And, well, basically, here's the art. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I do like owls, but not as much as some people, but I do like owls. They are cute. They are adorable. To go into the next segment, I know I'm going fast, but this is usually how I do it, per se. Hopefully, I don't know what I was going to say. I did just get off my actual primary job. So we're going to show the art, which is this beautiful, gorgeous dragon with, I'm assuming that's either the sun or the moon in the background, and with all these little dots, it makes it indicate to me it's stars in the background, and it's in the middle of the night with that dragon doing all that, which is so pretty. This one is by Allison Keller, a long-time subscriber. Allison has been part of the Sketchbox community for several years and creates stunning dragon illustrations and imaginative creatures by intertwining fantasy and reality, science and magic, and exploration of the unknown. Allison uses her art to bring forth creatures both spectral and terrifying. Her love of fantasy with a dash of science was born of an early passion for nature and paleontology, later sprinkled with fantasy video games, Dungeons and Dragons, and the Dragonlance novels she read in high school. And then it has her username on Instagram. I am not going to pronounce it, but here's the art again. It's beautiful. I will show this sticker last. So, like we started last month, I showed everything on the back of the pamphlet of what I get later on at near the end. Let's see. Sketchbox Premium Gouache and Color Pencil Box. This one I'm actually excited for because, one, I got Faber-Castell pencils. I love them. And then basically it says on the bottom of the pamphlet, which you guys don't see right now, which you'll see the backside later on, is make sure to check out Sketchbox School and sign up for our social squad to complete the monthly challenge and receive a free bonus item to do even more with this box. I'm going to show you the QR code though. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show the Faber-Castells. Yeah. Alright, so Faber-Castell Polychromos color pencils. The blue, I'm not going to be able to pronounce it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It's Indian through blue, which it looks like a dark blue. I won't know like the actual color until I swatch it, which will be after this. I will be switching up my reels now though. Like, you're going to see this month's reel before next month's reel, because next month's reel comes out on the 27th, which that's okay. I mean, I would mess everything up. I kind of have my reel schedule being realigned. I have all my reels set up. I figured I'm going to just do the month of reels now, from now on, so forth, since I'm doing diamond paintings as well in between in my art review. Alright, so the second one is a juniper green. Looks like a pretty Christmassy green, to be honest. And then we have just magenta, which I do know what magenta looks like because I do have a Faber-Castell magenta. I do not have these, so they're new to me. I think they will be very vivid and bright and vibrant. So it says these premium oil-based color pencils offer rich colors and smooth shading. Thanks to the rough texture of our paper, you will only need light pressure to build a range of value with these pencils. A retail price of each pencil is $3.35 each. Which I can see that because these pencils are good. They're divine. We're about to have a visitor, everybody. Mr. Sky is trying to go onto my desk. No, he stopped. He's seen me look at him. Alright, so these three are now out of the way. Now, I will be using a pencil for the reel. I use pencil with everything mechanical, per se. Alright, so now we're going to the gouache. I had to figure out how to open it after a while. About 10 minutes. Because it was really stuck on there. Alright, this one is Blue Spruce. This hand ground gouache offers transparent washes or thick opaque layers depending on how much water you incorporate. The retail price on the gouache is $10.25. And it comes in this little pretty cute box from Stone Ground, and this was just on top. As I put it on wrong, it was just like this. Try to make sure it comes out. Alright, now it's shaped. It's a pretty gouache. Now I'm probably going to regret this decision later, but I'm doing this. Alright, so the technical third instrument of what we get in our box. Technical, if you don't want to count if you want to count the pencils as one, is our Sketchbox Signature Round Brush size 6. Now, I do like Sketchbox's paintbrushes a lot. On the back of the pencil, or paintbrush, not pencil, it says www.sketchbox.com, and it says Sketchbox Signature Round 6. I like the colors. Great for fine details and dramatic marks. This brush has a flexible tip to allow for a wide range of line weights. Retail price is $7. Put this back on. Pretty brush. Alright, so my fourth instrument of what I got I know I'm quiet for a minute. I'm trying to figure out how to say it without even botching it. It's a U Cheetah Blue Plum marker, white. Activate this marker by gently pumping the tip against the surface. The opaque white pigment is perfect for highlights. Retail price is $3.79, which it shows you how to activate it, which I pretty much do. I don't want to compare it to the other like alcohol-based markers, but it should be justly like it. And it's a very fine tip. There you go. It wants to zoom in on my desk. Yeah, it's exactly how I thought it would be. Like activating it wise. You just shake it and then push it and wait for the ink, pretty much. Let's do our fifth segment. It's a Karatake Zig acrylic liner gold. Ooh. Add sparkling details to your design with this stunning marker. Retail price is $4.40. And you're gonna have to activate it, so oh, I didn't. I'll just show you. You just shake it and push. Even though I'm facing the wrong way to push. Okay. All right, now it's activated. I didn't do it 30 seconds. But look at that. It's very pretty. Can't wait to write with that. All right, the last instrument, third to last, is the paper. Now, I did open this up thinking it was a sketchbook earlier, but it's not. It's actual paper. And you can see it's a Rembrandt rough watercolor paper. It's a 4 by 6 inches, 10 sheets. It's 140 pounds. This toothy absorbed Absorbent. Sorry about that. Paper is perfect for a variety of mediums. The slight texture helps to make colored pencil work a breeze while still being sturdy enough to handle the gouache in this month's box. The retail price is $13.50. As you can see, it is a sketchbox exclusive. Looks pretty. Alright, but I'll just leave that out because I'm going to be filming a reel anyway. Put it aside. Alright, here's the second to last. It's what I was reading off. These. Love the supplies in this box. Head over to shopsketchbox.com to explore hundreds of unique art supplies. Keep your creative juices flowing by using the prompt snow globe with these materials. And then it has the QR code. Alright, and then so here's the front half of it. Oh, you seen it earlier because I showed the QR code. But here is a more full view. And then let's do the last. I'll just leave that there. Is the sticker, which I love all the variety of the products in it. Like, you got your color pencil there, and then you have your gouache tubes, and then like a acrylic paint. And then it has a sketch box in the back. Like, I want to say it's just to design what it could be like. Like, it is. What am I saying? I'm just rambling on. Like, you could tell that one was from October. And pencils are sporadically, it's been through each box I've got so far. But here is a sticker. So this pretty much wraps up my unboxing. Now this is my last for this year for the Sketchbox. And we'll see what the new year brings us. I honestly am really excited for it. Every time I am. Hopefully everybody has a very, very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, because this is the last time you're going to hear me speak until next year. So, yeah. Bye, guys. And thank you for watching and subscribing and liking if you like this video. If you want more kind of content like this. And if you want more kind of content like with my diamond paintings, shorts, I might think about a New Year's resolution coming up. But I don't know what it is yet. But it will be art related. So yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. Happy holidays, as I traditionally say outside of everything. Bye.